arrived in Brașov, in Transylvania. I'm here to hunt Dracula. He's somewhere in this region. I arrived on the train late at night, so I gotta watch out. There's probably vampires in this train station looking for me. That could be a vampire right there. We're gonna find him. He's not far away. I can feel it. It's cold. If I see any bats, I gotta run. Can't trust any of these people. They could all be vampires. I've gotta make it to my hostel safely without getting bit. I don't like that. This light flickering, it's a sign he's nearby. Gotta be careful. Easily spotted in this hoodie. That's a nice building. Anyways, we haven't encountered any vampires yet, but I'm on my guard. All these people right here could be vampires for all I know. All right, I'm almost to my hostel. I'll be safe for the night, hopefully. Oh no, this is not a good sign. This is my hostel. In here. I'm about to get got. Vampires probably run this place. All right, this is weird. I'm in this hostel. The check-in apparently is over. Staff only. What the hell? They sent me the code to come in, but apparently this is just reception. What in the world? The terrace. Where the hell is my room? They sent me the information on how to get into it. I'm so confused. This feels like a trap from vampires. Okay, it's definitely not over here. First I got so mad. I was like, you gotta be kidding me, I can't get in, there's nobody here. I guess reception only goes until 8 p.m. Never heard of such a thing. Oh, light came on up there. What in the hell? This is creepy. Is it somewhere down here? I don't get it. Okay, I figured it out. Reception's right there. Here's this one. Nah, dude, what the? This is sus. Looking for an orange door. What the hell? Okay, I think. Those are the most confusing instructions ever. All right, well, I'm freezing my ass off here, sitting in this area in Brașov. It's 8 degrees. It's like almost 1 a.m. But I'm much safer now because I got some beers and some snacks. Yes, sir. So now they shouldn't be able to get me. Got the silver rings. I've got the garlic. Tomorrow, I just have to be fully prepared by getting some holy water and a cross and a wooden stake. And then I'll be fully ready to go kill this mother. Well, Centrum House Hostel actually turned out being pretty great. The reception people were super friendly and helpful, told me detailed instructions on how to get to Dracula's castle so I can kill this vampire. And yeah, it's a little bit complicated when you get here because they give you 3 different passcodes, one for reception and one to get in this door right here, which was hard to find in the dark. And you go up and then come out on this terrace and go over to your room and have another code. So it was a little hectic. I went back there at first thinking that was where my hostel was, but I figured it out. They're letting me keep my bag in reception all day while I'm hunting a vampire. And I'll be back sometime this evening, hopefully in time to catch a bus or a train to Iași. All right, it's daytime. Vampires shouldn't be able to get me during the daytime. In about an hour, I'll be on my way to Dracula's castle. I'm gonna slay this bastard. First, I gotta go to this church, find out some information, see what I can use against him. All right, this church here, somebody here should know something about vampires, how to kill them. I'm gonna see if we can get some good intel. It's daytime, so I should be safe in the sunlight. Can't be too careful. In about 1 hour, I'll be on my way to the location where we believe this bastard is hiding. I'm gonna slay him. These people don't realize the danger they're in. Suspiciously. They might be vampires, they might work for Dracula. Oh, I need a ticket to go inside. Oh man, I don't know about that. Let's see, how much is it? Nah. 20 lei. 4 euros, basically a little over $4. Nah, I think I'm good. I'll have to do this on my own. I was gonna try to get some holy water, but I guess I'm gonna have to do this the hard way. Well, time to move on to plan B. Just gonna have to head in without information. Hopefully, I don't get turned into a vampire. Well, on my way to slay Dracula, I decided, since I had to kill a little time before the next bus, I'm I go on this little hike up this trail to go see the White Tower. Maybe there I'll find a secret weapon I can use against him. Or it'll just be a nice walk through the woods up a steep hill. I really like Brașov. I like areas in the mountains. And it's not really high up in the mountains, but it's a nice little town, small city, whatever, with some cool stuff to see. Very beautiful. Well, it said it was closed on Google, but it's clearly not closed. Ah, very nice view. Probably not as good as up there. It wanted me to come up these stairs, but there was a much less steep path. That was a minute shorter anyways. Can't trust Google all the time. Told me to go not as good of a way, and it told me this place was closed. It's clearly not closed. So people can just go in. Yeah, Brașov is really nice. I want to go to that fortress up there. I don't have time. Maybe when I get back. I think I have to keep going. How do I cross? Over here? I made it to the White Tower up on top of the hill over there. But it was actually closed. You could go up some steps part way up, but not all the way. It was a nice view. So I f***ed up, I didn't withdraw any cash, and I realized when I was about to take the bus that I was going to need cash. So I couldn't take the 2 p.m. bus, so I'm going to have to take the 3 p.m. bus, which is fine. I just came to this traditional Romanian restaurant. I'm about to get this right here. Oh yeah, should be good. And yeah, this place is nice. Alright, so my food came. It looks amazing. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce, but this is what it is. Alright, here we go. Mission is go. Time to go to Bran Castle. Gotta find this mother. I'm a little bit late. I missed the first couple buses. But now it's time. So, I made it to Bran Castle. There it is. But unfortunately, I can't go there because it's closed. Apparently, the hours on Google were not accurate, and it said it was open until 6 p.m. But during this season, the off season, it closes at 4 p.m. So I'm right here. I spent few dollars to take the bus here, and it was like an hour, but no, like 45-minute bus ride, and now I can't go to the castle. But I do have my drone, so I'm gonna go find a place that I can fly the drone over to the castle. Mission failed. Looks like I will not be killing Dracula today, but I'll be back tomorrow. Just means I have to stay in Brașov an extra night. Damn. That's too bad. Well, there's the castle. That damn vampire's hiding in there. My plans were foiled to get to him. The castle closed at 4 instead of 6, starting in October. So, I'm gonna have to stay in Brașov an extra night to complete my mission. But right now, I'm gonna at least fly my drone and get some cool shots. So I guess I'm gonna hike up this mountain here. This hill, not really a mountain, and get some shots. Ah, there we go. At least I can take some good pictures. Bet I can get some good ones from up here. Maybe I'll encounter some of his vampire minions and take some of his people out. Damn, I can't believe I made it all the way here. Spent money on a bus, wasted all day. Up. This sabotages my plans a little bit, but oh well. Tomorrow it is. I have an appointment with Dracula tomorrow. Motherfucker is dead. All right. Climbed up this super steep hill. It's gonna be really dangerous getting down. But it's gonna be incredible view. Oh look, I saw that from the ground. Cool. Very nice. Damn. Okay. Well, it was worth coming here at least for this. Tomorrow, I'm coming for your ass, Dracula. Now I don't have to bring the drone with me tomorrow, so there's that. That was fun. Nice little climb, but it was a bit of a waste of a day. I did not succeed in killing Dracula or finding any other vampires, but they didn't get me, so, you know, it's all good.